Columbiana, Ohio. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Columbiana County and east central Ohio until 3:15 p.m. At 2:32 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northeast of Minerva, Oregon, 10 miles southwest of Salem, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Lisbon, Hanoverton, New Garden, North Georgetown, Winona, Guilford Lake State Park, Homeworth. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Flash flood warning.